My name is Brian from Ridgeback Productions, and I help beginning voice talents just like you grow your business and generate some income. All right, so in this episode, we're going to check out audio normalization and why you even need to do it. Basically, normalizing or audio normalization is taking the audio wave and setting it to a predetermined volume. And that's really what you're doing. You're turning up the volume on your audio wave. The main benefit of that is when you deliver to a client, you're going to always be delivering at basically the same volume. Now, I'm saying basically because there are some other factors that go into it. But for simplicity, let's just say you're basically delivering at the same volume, and that is a good thing. That volume that I want you to deliver to is -3. Now, as you progress down the line, your audio editing, your audio processing gets better. I could and I will suggest that you deliver at -1, but for now, let's just go with -3. We're going to jump into a DAW that many of you are using, which is Audacity. If you're familiar with Audacity, maybe you'll know how to do it. If you don't, that's okay. If you're using a different DAW, Adobe Audition, whatever you're using, normalization's all the same. But for this one, I'm just going to show you on Audacity. Let's have a look. All right, so here we are in Audacity, and I'm going to go ahead and add a track. I'm just going to right-click a mono track right there. I already have my audio set up. I'm good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just record. Now, as I'm recording, if you're looking up at this microphone level, you're seeing that I'm fluctuating around -12. This is actually a great recording volume that you'd want to set when you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and stop that. That's excellent. Okay, so now we have this nice clean audio wave. We could edit it. We could take out some parts, any mistakes we make. Go ahead and do whatever you got to do to your audio wave. When you are done with it, what I want you to do is you're going to double click on your audio wave. That's just going to highlight the whole thing. Go up to Effect, Normalize, and let's set this to -3. By default, it might be -1. I don't know what yours is at. Set it at -3 decibels. Don't worry about all the other factors. It's just this normalized peak amplitude to -3 decibels and apply. Now let's watch this audio wave and watch what it does. Shabam! All right, so you have just took the audio volume, your audio wave, and turned it up. The loudest peaks are now at -3. This is dynamite. I love it. This is exactly what you should be doing when you turn it into a client. So let's refresh that one more time. We'll just do the whole process one more again. And get rid of that. We're going to have our track. We're ready to go. We're ready to record. And now we're recording. We're recording our awesome voiceover that you're working on for your client. Whatever you got to do. Saying whatever you got to say, and then you're done. Go through it. Edit out any mistakes, breaths, all the stuff that you like to clean up your audio with. When you are done, double click on the audio. You're just highlighting the entire thing. We're going to go up to Effect, Normalize. Make sure that normalized peak amplitude is at -3. If you have already set it at -3, Audacity is pretty awesome. It just saves your file, which you've already done, and there you go. Pumps it back up. And now we're recording. Isn't that pretty cool? So what you do is just make sure that you are normalizing every single time that you turn into a client at -3. Hope that helps. I appreciate you checking this out. Until next time.